Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to create a traffic signal using the states and transitions. So this is our series Learn QML using examples. So let's begin. Start Qt Creator, create a new project. We want to select Qt Quick Application Empty. Choose, select any name to your project. I'm selecting all the defaults and let's begin. So in this first we are going to create a base of our signal rectangle width say 300, uh, height say 300. Let's make width 300. Color is black, and let's place it in the center of our window. Okay, with this, if you run this, you will see this rectangle. Okay, so let's give some radius to so that the corners look a bit better. Let's give this ID as a traffic signal and let's run it. You can see we have created a panel, and we want to create now some rectangles for all our bulbs. So first is our red bulb. A red bulb, the color, I'll just say red. Width should be 75, height should be 75, and that's it. And it should be, let's run it and let's see if it comes. Yeah, this is our rectangle. And let's create some more. Let's create a column, and in this column we are going to add some more bulbs, one for orange, one for green, and that's our red bulb, orange bulb, and then green bulb, and yeah, I'll just say orange, green. Okay, and let's format our code, let's run it. And you will see we have got three bulbs. Now they are not round. So let's make them round by giving the radius same as its width and height. So this is cool. Okay, let's add some spacing because they are connected. So let's give spacing of 20 and let's place this in the center of our parent, that is our panel. So when we run this, we see a nice signal. Let's add a bar here. So let's create a bar for our signal. Rectangle, okay, width should be 40, height should be maybe 100, color black. Now orientation is very important. Anchors dot horizontal center should be our traffic signal dot horizontal center. Anchors dot top should be our traffic signals bottom, if I can spell it. And if we run that, yeah, you see this nice rod there. Maybe the width is too much. Let's make it a little smaller. Yeah, nice signal there. Now let's change these colors quickly. And how are you going to do it? We will add states. So you can select this template and the states are stop. And the stop, what we want to do is our red bulb color, red bulb color, color should be equal to qt.rgba red 100, and we want to give some opacity, right? So let's make opacities, that is active opacity should be 1.0, and similarly we want to have inactive opacity, that should be maybe 0.2, and let's use that. So here we want to have in the stop, we want to have active opacity, and let's format our code quickly. Let's copy those, copy for our orange bulb. The opacity should be inactive opacity, and for our green bulb, it should be again inactive opacity. Orange is what is orange? Red, green, blue, red and green, and green is 0, 1, 0 inactive opacity, and that's fine now. So what's our stop state? Then we want to have a ready state and we want to have go state. So in the ready, we want to use this active opacity to this orange bulb and inactive to this, and when it's go, we want to apply active to this and inactive to orange and red. So these are our states, and with these states, we should be able to check our signal. So import quick. Let me add something. No, not this one. I want to add control, right? So controls 2.4. I can add a button now. A simple test button. Text is test test. Now test the signal, and what I want to do is on clicked something I'm missing. Text. Why I don't want this button should have text, right? Test button, right? And if I run, I think I am getting some errors. Expected token here. Yeah, this is the one which is causing this issue. And on clicked, what I want to do is on click, we want to have some counter and we simply want to go through the various states, right? State counter we can say, and the value should be 0 by default. This state should be stop by default, and let's increment the counter, or maybe go, that's the state. And state counter we should increment on the click, plus state counter is equal to state counter plus 1 mod 3, so this will keep on switching between 0, 1 and 2. If your state counter is equal to 1, then you should change your state of this traffic signal to traffic signal dot state should be is equal to ready, and else if your state counter is equal to 2, then your traffic signal state should become stop, and else your traffic signal state should be let me copy paste, and your state should be go. Okay, so that's the change that we want to test. Let's run it. Okay, something not correct. I want to simply add this text as test button, right? So I run this and yeah, cool. Why only green to yellow, orange? No, something is wrong here. Go to this should be correct. Go ready and stop. Inactive, inactive. Okay, active. So this is the only active, and in this is the only active, and in this is the only active, right? Red bulb, orange bulb, green bulb. This is 100, 110, 010. Now, why it's not going to state counter plus mod 3? So if it is 1 ready, then 2, then 0 go. Okay. After ready, if it is 2, then it should say stop, and yeah, that's the problem. So, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, yeah, like that. It's changing the states, but now we want to add transitions. Okay, from any state. Star represents any state to any state. What I want color animation. Uh, so I'm just going to give some duration of 500. So it looks nice. it gives some real time feel. So as you can see, slowly it closes, right? Maybe you can change it to 1000 milliseconds, so it's like 1 second transition time. Nice, cool. This is the demo of states and transitions. So this is how we can use our states and transitions. Stop.